Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Smash Bros. On mobile. First, understand that playing console games on your phone requires an emulator, which mimics the original console. You'll also need a game file, known as a ROM, for Super Smash Bros. Before you start, make sure your mobile device has enough processing power and storage to run these applications smoothly. This preparation is key for a good experience. Next, you'll need to choose the right emulator for your phone, whether it's Android or iOS. There are several options available, so do a quick search for highly rated ones. Once you have an emulator, find a Super Smash Bros. ROM file. Always download ROMs from reputable websites to avoid malware. After downloading, confirm that your specific ROM version works well with the emulator you've selected for the best performance. Now it's time to set up your controls. Most emulators offer virtual on-screen buttons, but for a better experience, consider connecting a Bluetooth controller. You can customize button layouts to your preference. Dive into the emulator's settings to fine-tune graphics and audio for optimal performance on your device. Remember to save your game frequently to avoid losing any progress, especially during intense matches. Finally, if you encounter issues like lag or crashes, don't worry. Often, adjusting emulator settings, such as frame skip or resolution, can resolve these problems. Many online communities and forums are dedicated to mobile emulation, offering solutions and advanced tips for specific games like Super Smash Bros. They can be a great resource for optimizing your gameplay. Also, for those who love to read anywhere, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.